Welcome to the Bird Field Guide for Kids app preview, a guide to 500 common birds in the United States and Canada, designed for kids and anyone who is a kid at heart. Bird Field Guide for Kids opens up the wonderful world of birding to children. Using fun and easy-to-use spinners, push buttons, and scrolling tables, this app makes bird identification a breeze. With 1,500 plus photos, playback recording for all songbirds, and range maps, the Bird Field Guide for Kids has the features of adult-oriented field guides without the jargon confusing to kids and beginning birders. All 500 species have fun facts in kid-friendly language. For example, an American crow weighs about the same as a can of soda. The Bird Field Guide for Kids makes it easy for your child to start their own life list by tapping a few buttons in the app. Screen time spent on this app will encourage your child to head outside. How many apps can say that? Get Bird Field Guide for Kids and open the door to learning about the amazing birds living among us in the United States and Canada. Available on the Apple App Store and on Google Play.